for step one, we're going to use a template and we're going to trace this 2 times. We're going to come on to the black and you're going to trace that first of all with a pencil. You're going to go around it like this. Okay. And then over here, you'll be tracing a template on the plastic. So you're going to take a Sharpie for this so you can see it. And you're going to go around like this. All right, after that, you're going to cut those 2 pieces out. For step 2, I'm going to be wrapping the black piece of paper here, this cardstock, with aluminum foil. So I like to have it just a little bit bigger than what you're going to wrap it, so about that big. And it's going to be wrinkled a little bit, so you can put just a few wrinkles on it. And I like to have the shiny side on the outside. So I'm going to put this on top, and I'm going to carefully come around. It might rip up here a little bit. If that's the case, then you can put a little piece on top of that a little bit later. But you're just going to go ahead and wrap it right around, nice and tight. And I'll show you what it will look like on the front. So again, be careful up here. You might have to press a little bit more on the top. Turn it over, and looks like we're pretty good there. For step 3 now, we're going to take the plastic piece that you cut out a little bit ago, and I have some sheets where you can trace things, or you could draw something on your own. So it's really up to you what you use. I'm just going to show you with this simple star right here. So I'm going to put it right on top of it. And I'm going to use a black Sharpie marker to trace what I want. So I'm just going right over top of it. Now to add color, I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to add the color on the back side. And the reason you want to do that is because if you add color on the front, the black and whatever color you're using will bleed together. If I do it on the back side here, I can just go right on top of that black and I will have no problems with them blending. For the final step, we're going to put everything together, and we're going to take, so the plastic piece we're going to put on top. I really like the look of how the color shows through on top of the aluminum foil. So I line that up, and then we're just going to staple these. Put a staple on the side here, okay, over here, and one over here should be good enough to hold it. And then to get a little hole up here next, we're going to hole punch that. So you just go right through this. This can be a little tricky, so I can help you with this part if you need a little help. And then we can take a ribbon or a string and we're going to make a little tie on the top. So I just go like this, fold it in half, push that through, and I'm going to take these 2 through the end. Okay, this will hold it nice and straight. And then finally we just do one last tie on the top here, so we do a double knot. There you go, and you can cut those down a little bit and you have yourself a really nice ornament for display.